Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a VLive account or how to sign up for a VLive app. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. As you can see on my screen that I've already installed VLive app from my Play Store. You can also get it through your App Store or Play Store, and after that, tap on it to open it. This is the very first page where you can simply get started on to create your own account. So I'm going to tap on get started. On the very below you can see an option of it. Now you're in the very first page of creating your own account. You can either continue with Google, with Facebook, with Line, and even with Naver, Twitter, Apple, Weibo, QQ, or WeChat. I'm simply going to continue with one of my Google accounts. I'm going to tap on continue with Google. On the very top you can see it. Now I have an option of choosing any of the Google account that I would love to continue with. So I'm going to tap on one of these accounts. You can see that it's being loaded, and I have simply created one account with my Google account itself. Now you can tap on more option on the bottom right corner of the screen to see if it's you. Yes, I have a name, Universe Conspiring. That's my email address and my email account itself, and a Google account as well. So this is how you do it. This is how you create your own account on a VLive app. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.